Hey guys, welcome back to part 5 of the Study Sketchbook Series 1 version 2. Hope you like this painting, and without further ado, let's begin.